In this video, I will show you how to private account on Facebook. First of all, to do that, all you have to do now, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open your menu, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy. And go to settings. So under the settings, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this first option which says privacy checkup. This one. So after you come to this privacy checkup, all you have to do now, it is only just 3 steps you want to follow in order to make your account private on Facebook. The first one, it says who can see what you shared. The second one, it says how people can find you on Facebook. And the third one, it says your data settings on Facebook. So the first one is tap on this section, who can see what you shared. So all you have to do now, tap on this continue button. So all you have to do now, go and check all these options. As you can see now, the first one, it says your Gmail. So just go and make it to only me. As you can see, it is only me. So the second one, it says your friends and your date of birth. So go and set it to only me. As you can see now. Now it's set to my friends can see my date of birth. So go and set it to only me, like this last option, to only me. As you can see now. So go and change all these options, as you can see, to only me. So by doing that, after you finish with this, tap on this next button. So in this session, go and set this option, these two options, to only me again, and tap on this next again. After you finish with these two steps, then you can tap on this go back. After you come back like this, so you can go to second step. The second step is tap on this section, how people can find you on Facebook. So tap on this continue button. So by tapping on this continue button, all you have to do now, come to this section and tap on this and change it to friends of friends. So by changing it to friends of friends, now nobody can be able now to see you unless he is friends of your friends or he is just someone related to you. So by changing this, now you make your account private on Facebook. So tap on this next button again, change this two option to only me again, the next option again, and make sure just to turn off this option. So by turning off this option, now nobody can be able now to even search your account without your own permission. So after you finish with this 3 steps, now go back again and tap on this section, this last option, your data and settings on Facebook. So tap on this continue again. So after you tap on this continue, as you can see now, here it says apps and website. So as you can see, tap on this next again. So in this section now, you can be able now to hide your location on Facebook. As you can see now, here it says go to device settings. So now if I tap on this section, it will hide your device, your location on Facebook. So by doing these 3 steps now, your account will be private. Nobody can be able to see everything about your account unless you come back and change these settings in privacy checkup. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys.